Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on having multiple Snapchat accounts logged in at once. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up Snapchat and tap on your user icon or Bitmoji in the top left corner to get to your profile. Then tap on the settings cog in the top right corner. Scroll to the very bottom of the settings and tap logout. You will now get a pop-up asking if you want to save your login information. Tap yes. If you don't get the pop-up, then your information is already saved. Tap logout on the pop-up. Your account will now appear here, and if you tap login, it will log you back into that account without having to enter your name or password. Tap on sign up to add a completely new account, or switch account to add an account that you already have. Now log in to your second account. You then want to follow the same steps as with the other account. Tap on your user icon in the top left, then tap on the settings cog. Scroll to the bottom of settings and tap logout. Tap yes on the pop-up and then tap logout. You can now swipe between both accounts and log in to whichever one you want. You can also remove the account by tapping Remove Account below it, and add more accounts by tapping Switch Account. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Snapchat tips and tricks.